Section 3.1.1, Criminal versus Civil Law. Hello, I'm Dr. Adam McKee, and today we're diving into the essential concept of criminal law, a fundamental topic from my book, Criminal Justice, an overview of the system. We'll explore the various aspects of criminal law, its classifications, and how it interacts with civil law. Let's get started. The term, criminal law, can be confusing, but it is an essential concept in the criminal justice system. Criminal law can refer to all laws dealing with the criminal justice system or just the substantive criminal law, which describes what acts are prohibited and what punishments are associated with those acts. Legal defenses, like the insanity defense, are also included in criminal law. Criminal laws are usually divided into two categories: misdemeanors and felonies. Misdemeanors are less serious crimes like petty theft, simple assault, disorderly conduct, and public drunkenness. They are usually punishable by a fine and less than a year in a local jail. Felonies are serious crimes like rape, murder, burglary, and kidnapping. They can be punishable by death or a long period of incarceration in a state-run prison. Another way of classifying criminal law is based on the inherent evil of the act. If an action is wrong in itself, it is considered a mala in se offense. If an action is not necessarily evil and is only regarded as criminal because the government prohibits it, it is considered a mala prohibita offense. Victimless crimes are usually considered mala prohibita offenses. Some crimes are more visible to the public, such as murder, and are referred to as visible crimes, street crimes, or ordinary crimes. Occupational crimes are less noticeable and involve crimes committed through a particular job, such as embezzlement. Crimes committed by groups with a discernible organizational structure are classified as organized crime. Cybercrime is a relatively new category of criminal activity that involves offenses related to computers and related technologies, such as distributing child pornography, phishing, spreading viruses, and hacking into business computers. Hate crimes are motivated by bias toward a particular race, religion, ethnicity, or sexuality. Understanding these various types of criminal offenses is essential for understanding the criminal justice system and the types of illegal activity that exist in society. The legal system has two types of wrongs, civil and criminal. A civil wrong, known as a tort, refers to harm done to another person. When a person wins a tort case in civil court, they may receive a monetary award called damages. This is because torts are considered private wrongs, meaning they are usually between two individuals and do not necessarily harm society as a whole. On the other hand, a crime is considered a public wrong. This is because it harms not only the individual but also society as a whole. For this reason, all criminal prosecutions are brought forward in the name of the state, representing the people. Depending on the state, this can be called the people, the Commonwealth, or some other term. The prosecutor, who works for the government on behalf of society, brings the case forward in the criminal justice system. Understanding that the criminal and civil justice systems can interact is essential. This means that a person can be found guilty of a crime in criminal court and found liable for a tort for the same behavior. For example, a person who steals from someone can be found guilty of theft in criminal court and must pay back the stolen property in a civil case. Additionally, individuals who have suffered losses due to criminal actions can sometimes use the civil courts to recoup their losses. For example, a hit-and-run accident victim can sue the driver for damages in civil court in addition to the criminal charges the driver may face in criminal court. The nature of the wrong differs between civil and criminal law. Criminal law deals with offenses against society as a whole, while civil law deals with disputes between individuals or entities. The purpose of the case also differs. Criminal law punishes and deters wrongful conduct, while civil law compensates the victim for losses or damages. The parties involved are different too. In criminal law, it's the state, or prosecutor, versus the defendant. In civil law, it's the plaintiff versus the defendant. The outcomes differ as well. Criminal law can result in incarceration, fines, or other penalties, while civil law usually results in monetary compensation. In summary, understanding criminal law and its classifications, as well as how it interacts with civil law, is crucial for comprehending the criminal justice system. The distinctions between misdemeanors and felonies, visible crimes and occupational crimes, and the various types of offenses like cybercrime and hate crimes, help us grasp the scope of criminal behavior and the legal responses to it. Recognizing the interaction between civil and criminal law highlights the complexity of legal proceedings and the multiple ways justice can be sought. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, leave them in the comments below. See you next time.